Watch me build a profitable Facebook ad from scratch. So it's basically a 24 up to 48 hours affiliate marketing challenge. And in this challenge, I will generate at least one sale in 48 hours. And the main thing is I can only spend $100 maximum a day on ads. I can't spend more than that. So $100 a day, and I have 2 days, like basically 48 hours to get at least one sale. So it's going to be the challenge, and the challenge has been started right now. So let's get started. I'm going to show you everything. I'm not going to show you everything. I'm just going to through that everything by myself, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to just achieve that sales and the results. Basically the process and all these things I also show you previously. I'm going to also follow almost same process, but still I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So let's get started. Okay, so first head over to CLICKBANK. I am going to select a product. So you guys, I also show you like how to select a product. So you guys go and select any product that you think like it works and converts. Definitely there's a proper process that I show you in the previous videos. So I already selected one product. So the moment I selected product, get the affiliate link and save it in Notepad. Once it's done, the next is definitely we need to create a landing page. But before the landing page, what's going to be my next step is I'm going to research about that product. I'm going to find the landing pages. I'm going to find the angles, creatives, basically the scripts and everything. I'm going to do it. So it will take time. So I'm not going to show you because it's a challenge. I'm not teaching you right now. So give me time. I'll do it and then I'll show you. Okay, so we are back. So a lot of time has been passed and I've done almost everything. I just researched, create the landing page, creatives, and every single thing has been done. Definitely it took like hours. Definitely it took time because there's a lot of stuff I have to do. So everything has been done. Now next is we are going to launch our Facebook ads campaign, and then we are going to see what kind of results we are getting. So let's get started and launch our Facebook ad. Okay, so that's one of the ad account, and we never promoted any kind of affiliate offer before with this ad account. Means we have zero data in this ad account. Okay, completely scratch, zero data, nothing. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go with like, because I have only $100, so based on that I'm gonna set up my campaign. So I'm gonna go with like ad set budget. Simply click next. That ad set first is definitely we are looking for website. Second, we are going to add a name. Quickly just scroll down. Next we select the purchase. So definitely you saw like we haven't run any kind of thing in this ad account, so it's no data, so it's good. So it means like I'm starting from scratch. Okay, next thing is you guys can see about the budget. So the budget is I'm going to like $50 a day because I can spend up to $100 a day on ads. So I'm going to start with like $50. So I'm going to go with like $50. Hold on. Next thing is I'm going to switch this, and first is I'm going to target about like 35 plus age, because the product I selected, it's you can target from 35 plus. And second is you guys can see like I also have like custom audience. So first I'm going to go with like broad. I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm going to go with like broad ad set. Like this, I just selected the date and the budget, the date, and that's it. That's totally it. And next I'm going to create the ads, and I'm not going to show you which kind of ads I'm going to create because I don't want to show the product right now. So quickly I'm going to create and I'm going to show you. Okay, so right now you guys can see I created 2 campaigns right now. So I did not show you the process because it's a challenge. I'm not teaching you right now. So I just started like 2 campaigns. Like you guys can see, first is lookalike audience, second is broad. So starting from like 9th of November, I'm going to start this. And quickly I'm going to show you right now. You guys can see the time is like almost 8 a.m. nearly 8 a.m. right? So we are going to schedule the campaign for the next day, like 9th of October, something like this. Yes, right. Yes. So it's done. So you saw the time, we just schedule it. Now we just have to wait. The moment the campaign has been started, I'm going to show you what's going on, and I'm going to also share the results with you. So let's get started. Now just have to wait. We are back right now, and today is 9th, and I'm going to show you the results. Okay, because the campaign has been started like few, to be honest, hours ago. It's not a lot of time, and I'm going to show you the results right now. Okay, so let's get started. So right now I'm in the CLICKBANK account. You guys can see here, and you guys can see yesterday was 8 where we set up the campaign, and today is 9. So let's select the 9 and simply click apply. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna apply like this again one more time today, and you guys can see, boom, we've got one sale. Yes, 21 hops. In just 21 hops we've got like 1 order form impression, and we got like 1 sale. Okay, one initial sale, and you guys can see the result. Okay, so to be honest, I haven't expected that. I, to be very honest, never expected that. Just in that one person, I've got a sale. In slightly, I call it lucky myself because I never expected that. But based on lucky, little bit lucky, I got one sale in just 21 hops, and you guys can see $164 is the commission. And just literally, it's never been past like 24 hours, and I've got the sale. And let's see like if I got like any upsells or not. Let's select this, and you guys can see I haven't got any. Okay, that person haven't purchased the upsell. That person, I think, purchased like 6 bottles. That's why I got like $164 commission. And you guys can see earning EPC, everything is very high because there's only one sale, definitely. Okay, and there's no upsells, only 6 bottles that person purchased, and still I've got a really good money. And I'm gonna also show you the Facebook ad account, but you guys can see I'm that's the Facebook ad account. Now you see, like these are the two campaigns I was running that I show you, and you guys can see one got sale in just $10. I spent $10 overall on spend on that campaign, and you guys can see the results. Okay, so again, I haven't expected that, but I was also lucky. And I was running multiple ads. You guys can see one ad got the sale in just $3.88. So total I spent like nearly $10 plus, and I got one sale, and the cost per purchase is like $3 on that ad. I'm gonna also show you one thing. So let's go with like customized columns, and I'm gonna select two more, basically the columns. So first is going to be, I'm looking for ROAS. So first is that is ROAS, and second is I'm looking for, yes, I'm looking for like a purchase value. So there you go, I found the purchase value. And I'm going to show you like what is the exactly thing. So now you can see like my ROAS, return on ad spend, is 26%, like 26. Okay, so definitely it's a one sale. I'm not saying it's a good, it's extremely good because it's only one sale. So we don't just bother. Okay, just don't take a look because it's only one sale, so it's really hard. So you guys can also able to see $164 our purchase value. You can also able to see in Facebook right now. Okay, so you also saw that. So these are the 4 campaigns I was running, sorry, 4 ads I was running in this ad set. And you guys can see one got me sale, which is lookalike audience basically. So normally lookalike audience works really well in the starting. I told you multiple times. Okay, so again, and overall you guys can see like 14% ROAS and all these things. So now let's go. I'm gonna tell you one thing is, I'm not saying like I just did very big thing, because I know the process, I understand the basics, so that's why I just did really well. And slightly I'm gonna calling it myself lucky, so that I got like sale in just extremely early, like it's haven't been past I think 3 to 4 hours, and I've got one sale of $164. Slightly lucky, but I literally did a lot of research, a lot of things I done, so that's why I've got a sale. I'm really good at copying every single thing. Now anyone can do it. All you need to do is understanding the basic fundamentals. If you just doesn't matter do anything, if you don't have a right guidance, you'll never able to get profitably make money with ClickBank, because you need experienced person, like experience advice what you need to do at that point. That's the honestly I can tell you. Okay, now it's up to you what you guys can do, but in this challenge I have been passed. So that's my first challenge, and I, to be honest, passed that challenge. Now if you guys want me what kind of video I have to create next, tell me so I can create it. Now see you soon. I'll meet you in the next